Hey there, I'm Nikki. I'm the founder and principal designer here at Akula Creative, and today I'm going to walk you through my Instagram post template pack for Canva. In this series, I'll guide you through each of the 14 templates included in my Canva template pack, showing you exactly how to edit photos, colors, fonts, and more so you can create beautiful on-brand posts in minutes. You will learn how to create polished, consistent social media graphics, save time with ready-to-edit Canva templates, build trust and attract high-end clients, and share your expertise with confidence and style. It's important to note that while these have been created with interior designers in mind, these templates can actually be applied to almost any business. So let's start with a preview of the layouts. The first one is super simple. It's a logo over a photo. If you don't have a custom logo yet, I'll explain how to create a basic typographic logo. Next, we have a title over a darkened photo, a photo over a repeating text background. All of the text and the colors are completely editable. Here's an important one. We have a watermarked photo. And again, if you don't have a professional watermark, I will show you how to type out some text and use that as your watermark. This is a general announcement. You can use it for sharing almost anything. A this or that post to boost engagement. An invitation in which I explain how to use a seamless pattern swatch, just in case you have one. A client testimonial. A mood board. A second mood board that has a more organic, layered look. A blog post to save for later. A before and after, 3 photos with a call to action. This is the perfect spot to add your headshot. And lastly, a fun paint swatch over a photo of your work. Since I'm using some stock images from a subscription, I can't share those in my templates. So if you open up the template pack and you're wondering why yours look different, it's because I replaced my images with these placeholder frames. Here's a list of what you'll need to customize the templates, keeping in mind that I do provide some workarounds if you don't have professional brand files yet. So here we have 2 primary logos, one light, one dark. These are PNG files with a transparent background. And then I have 2 badge logos, one light, one dark. These fit in a square space. And then 2 watermarks, similar to the badge logos, one light and one dark. And then we have a brand color palette down here with some RGB values. If you don't have these, I have hundreds of color palette ideas on my blog. You can find that link down in the description. If you don't have a brand font collection yet, don't worry, I have a free resource for newsletter subscribers that walks you through choosing these. You can find that link down in the description as well.